Who would you say is your biggest celebrity crush and why?
Okay, so for me, hands down, no questions there, it's Cristiano Ronaldo. I love him. I support Portugal for him. I watch football because of him. I think he's such a handsome hunk and I would love to meet him in real life. For me, my crush, Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo, this is for you. Hi, welcome to Ultimind. So today we're doing something different and I have the team who have planned 10 questions that they're going to ask me. I have no clue what these questions are, so I'm going to let them roll and ask me, and let's be real and vulnerable.
What is your favorite thing to do when you're not doing mental health?
So when I'm not doing mental health, I love doing interior designing. It's because it gives me a sense of calmness and I just enjoy creating spaces, matching colors, and I just love creating things. So for me, interior designing is my go-to thing, and also sleeping. I love sleeping. I think for me, I can wind down and my bed is my place. So when I'm not doing mental health, it's interior designing or sleeping.
What got you into social media and what do you see yourself doing with your platform that you're not liking for the future?
So I feel social media is the place to go, and I got onto social media for creating awareness of what I do, helping people and just showing who I am. It's been tough because I was camera shy. I still feel I hold on too much, but I'm learning to let go and just be real on social media and show the world who you really are.
Question number 3. What is your biggest fear and what are you doing to overcome it?
So my biggest fear is fear of failure. And that really gets to me, but I take each day as it comes. I have stopped procrastinating. I work with what my goals for the day and I try and achieve them. I don't try and worry too much about the future because I've always been scared of, what if, and I've started to really focus on what is.
Question number 4. What is a moment you felt you were at your lowest point and what did you do to escape that low feeling to having launched the successful company you have today?
So my lowest point was after my breakdown that happened in 2021, and when I woke up the next day, I was driving my car and I was alive, but I was not alive. I hope you understand that. And I reached out and I got a counselor, and that's where my journey changed. I worked on myself and then I decided it's Ultimind to help people out there.
Question number 5. When is a moment you feel happiest in your life and why would you say that was the highlight of your life till that point?
The highlight of my life is when I gave birth in 2011 to my first daughter and 2012 to my second daughter. Holding them and bringing them into this world, it's an experience I can't express, but it was the happiest moment of my life, and seeing my children grow today makes me even more happy.
Right now you're a millennial. What advice would you give to your younger self if you were starting out Ultimind in your 20s?
Be more focused. Don't jump. Take each day as it comes. Don't procrastinate. And everything will go with time and it has its space.
It was just like one piece of advice, just from all of those, which one and why that one?
I would say don't jump, because I've been very jumpy in life and I try and keep moving, like ahead. Stay focused, and when you're focused and you just let yourself be and grow, good things can happen. But if you keep jumping, you're not going to stay in one place forever.
Question 7. Right now, Ultimind is just a baby, but what are some of your dreams and some of the things that you want to achieve with this platform that are non-monetary, that if you see yourself have done doing this in your life, you'll have said you've lived a fulfilled life and you've accomplished something?
It's actually creating a difference to people who need it. And when someone sees me outside and says, "Hey Poonam, you're from Ultimind," or "You're the creator of Ultimind, it helped me," or whatever you spoke about in your video made a difference to me, that's when I'll know that this is it, and that's what I want to see. And I want to take Ultimind to that level where mental health and Ultimind put together is Poonam, and the difference that people feel by seeing what I put out there, like are happy, and you know, the shift is made.
Question 8. Which person inspires you the most and is the biggest role model in your life, whether famous or just someone you know, and why?
So for me, the biggest role model in my life is my father. Because I've seen how determined he is. He never gives up. He's gone through so many ups and downs in life, but he never gives up. His motive is, no matter what happens, fight the bullet, take the bullet, wake up the next day, be stronger and keep moving, and that's how you'll grow. So my inspiration today is my father.
Who is someone externally, like as an influencer, that you look up to and strive to become like them with time to come, and why?
So I love Shazmeen Bank. Like her stuff out there on the internet, she went to school with me, and just seeing her grow, like when I'm down, I go to her Instagram channel and I watch what she puts out, and I love her content, and that's where I see myself and I want to grow. And if you guys know her, please forward this video to her. I would love to have her on my channel because she's an inspiration to me and I love what she does out there. So it would be amazing to have her on this channel with me.
Question number 9. For anyone out there, what's one piece of advice you would give them above all?
Follow your heart. And you'll only get the answers when you close your eyes and ask yourself what really matters. Follow your heart. Don't listen to society. Don't let people tell you what to do. Ask yourself what makes you happy and just follow your heart.
And how did this piece of advice personally affect your life?
Because I never followed my heart. I always listened to society that you need to be married by a certain age, you need to have children by a certain age, you need to be well settled. But following my heart actually gives me the peace, and I'm content with myself today. Just by following my heart, I'm a happier person.
Who would you say is your biggest celebrity crush, and why?
Okay, so for me, hands down, no questions there, it's Cristiano Ronaldo. I love him. I support Portugal for him. I watch football because of him. I think he's such a handsome hunk, and I would love to meet him in real life. For me, my crush, Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo, this is for you. So this has been so much fun, just being asked questions spontaneously. I loved it. I feel so light. I was vulnerable. I would love to become more vulnerable and be more real, but with time I know that will happen. And until next time.